Hello guys, today I have a video, kind of like an interesting video. So, I shaved my head. I got my head shaved by my girlfriend because we're working from home. And, I'm probably going to end up losing my hair sometime in the future. So I did it for two reasons. I wanted to see what my head would look like in the future. And also, I have a dry scalp, like I think it's seborrheic dermatitis or dermatosis, one of those conditions, I believe. And I figured I'd take advantage of the time to get a zero. I mean, it was a lot more. I'll link the video below if you guys want to see it, how short it was. Right now it's growing back, my facial hair too. But I want to talk about engineers and their haircuts. Like, we get such a bad rep for having such a bad haircut, and I guess this shows it. But I don't think this looks really bad, does it? I have the camera, the screen flipped this way so I can see what's going on, and I don't think it looks that bad. But yet again, I'm an engineer, so it could probably be the worst haircut ever, and I just don't know because I'm an engineer, and engineers are more logically inclined than people who are aesthetically inclined. I'm not a detailed person. My girlfriend dresses me, so that's why I look half decent. But I would eat the same foods every day. That's the kind of person I am. And a lot of the engineers I've met also. I think my sense of style, of course, don't judge me by this shirt because this is my workout shirt. It's like an Adidas, some kind of sweat shirt, even though it makes my armpit smell because it's not that breathable. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. What do you think about this haircut? If you were to see me on the street, would you say, hey, look at that guy, he has a bad haircut? Or would you say nothing? I mean, you wouldn't say anything, of course, unless you're kind of a dick. But would you just not think about it? Because I don't think about it. I think it actually looks really good. But yet again, that's coming from me. And there's no mom that thinks that their kid is ugly, right? Except my mom right now, she probably thinks I'm ugly. But let me know what you guys think. Engineers and haircuts, what stories do you guys have? Because I don't think this is that bad. The shape of my head isn't the best, but the hair kind of hides it. So, let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys later. Bye.